Hi friends, myself Seema Nagdeve, Assistant Professor and Head Department of Botany, Mahatma Gandhi College, Armory District, Gadchiroli. Now I will explain you about the introduction of syllabus of semester 6 of optional subject, that is mycology and plant pathology paper 1. As per the CBCS syllabus in Botany of Gondwana University, Gadchiroli, there are 2 papers. Each paper carry 50 marks and 10 marks on each paper on internal assessment. 30 marks goes to practical, and thus there are total 150 marks to paper 1 and paper 2. Now about the introduction of unit 1. In unit 1, it includes mycology, in which introduction, definition, objectives, Mycological Institute in India, and status of mycology in India is included. General characteristics and classification of fungi proposed by G.C. Ainsworth in 1973. Pathogenic account of Mastigomycotina, Ascomycotina, Zygomycotina, Basidiomycotina, and Deuteromycotina. All these topics are included in this unit 1. Now the course outcomes of this unit 1: to study the detailed account of Mycological Institute in India, to study the general characteristics and classification of fungi, to study the pathogenic and characters on Mastigomycotina, Ascomycotina, Zygomycotina, Basidiomycotina, and also to understand the pathogenic and general characteristics of Deuteromycotina. Now about unit 2nd. It also includes mycological topics, in which chemical composition of fungal cell wall and its function, characteristics of fungal spores, its types based on spore production structure, function, and its motility. It also includes general variation in fungi. In this, heterokaryopsis, parasexuality, homothelism, and heterothelism is included. Now about course outcomes of this unit 2nd. You study the detailed account of characteristics of fungus and fungal spores. To study the general variation in fungi. To study the function and motility of fungi. To study heterokaryopsis. To know the parasexuality. To study homothelism, and also to understand about heterothelism. Now about unit 3. It includes plant pathology. In this, introduction, definition, objectives, importance of plant diseases and plant pathology in 20th century. In classification of plant diseases on the basis of causal agent, there is a study of non-parasitic and parasitic diseases, and also symptoms caused by fungi. Again, method of studying plant diseases, in which field observation, cutting of pathogenic organisms, culture media preparation, sterilization, isolation, and purification, and also identification of culture postulate. These topics are included. Now the course outcomes of this unit: to know the plant pathology, to study the details account of introduction, definition, objectives of plant pathology, to study the plant diseases and plant pathology in 20th century, to study classification of plant diseases on the basis of causal agents, to understand the method of studying plant diseases. Now about Unit 4. In this Unit 4, there is a study of impact of environment on the diseases, plant diseases, in which effect of temperature, soil environment, relative humidity, soil types, texture, wind, rainfall, and light is included. Second topic is enzymes and toxins in plant diseases, in which cellulitic enzyme, pectic enzymes, phytotoxins, vivotoxins, and pathotoxins are included. In defense mechanism in plants, there is a study of defense structure, in which waxes, cuticle, structure of epidermal cell wall, structure of natural openings, cork layer, chylosis, gum deposition, and synthesis of phenols, as well as hypersensitive reaction is included. In principles of plant disease control, there is biological and chemical control of plant diseases, also uses of disease resistant varieties and plant quarantine. Now about course outcomes of this Unit 4. To know the impact of environment on plant diseases, to study the detailed account of enzymes and toxics in plant diseases, to study the defense mechanism in plants, to study the defense mechanism in plants, to understand the principles of plant disease control, that is biological, chemical, and also uses of disease resistant varieties and plant quarantine. This is about introduction of syllabus and course outcomes of semester 6. Thank you very much. Thank you. Summary.